Pairs perfectly with wine, pear and black tea, dessert marinade. Western pear Marguerite Marillat. Put the lemon juice and tea leaves in a bowl. Black tea leaves Earl Grey. 1 tea bag. Lemon juice 1 TBSP. Peel the pear and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Western pear Marguerite Marillat, large 1. From September to December, various varieties of Western pears come into season. Each offering its own unique flavor to enjoy. It was discovered in France in 1874. Among Western pear varieties, it is quite large. Each fruit can weigh between 400 and 800 grams. Add the pear pieces to the bowl and mix well. Let sit for 5 minutes. Cream cheese 50 gram, honey 1 TBSP. In Japan, Yamagata Prefecture is the production area. Arrange the marinated pear, cream cheese, and honey on a plate. Drizzle with olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, 12 TBSP. Garnish with herbs, seasonal herbs for garnish. Pear and black tea dessert marinade.
Fruit Japan, please subscribe to my channel.